Hey y'all, I'm back with another video. I don't feel good, but I decided to cook. This is my cabbage soup. I've been seeing it on TikTok. That's why I made it. But it got onions, Napa cabbage, green cabbage, carrots, white sweet yams, celery, vegetable broth, chicken broth, and just like regular seasons. That's my cabbage soup, y'all, and like crushed red pepper flakes. You can't see them because they cook down in there. But best believe they got the kitchen smelling good. Then we go over here. This is my chicken croquette patties with broccolini, carrots, onions, sesame seeds, minced garlic, and teriyaki sauce. Yep. Just letting all that good juices boil on there. Yep. Well, I'm going to plate it once it's done. Jump back and forth. Remember, broccolini, onions, carrots, sesame seeds, teriyaki sauce, and garlic. And that's chicken croquette patties, handmade by me. Seasoned with the basics: 1 egg, spicy panko season. Yeah, that's pretty much it. And just mixed it, fried it in the pan. Yep. If only y'all knew what it smelled like in here. Child, smells so good. And plus, I'm on a diet, so this go perfect on my diet. Yes, it will. You can make it how you want to. And the cabbage soup. Make sure y'all like, share, comment, and subscribe. Subscribe. Y'all don't do nothing else. Get that girl up there. Subscribe. I don't care. Tell your friends, your mama, your auntie, your daddy, sister, brother, cousin. Tell whoever. Make sure y'all subscribe. Peace. I'll post the finishing touch. Bye.